So, complicated race for you, no?
Well, yes and no. To be honest, we were doing pretty okay. We decided to go to save at the back, a lot of energy, which worked pretty well. Without safety car, I think we would have been very, very good. So yeah, it just didn't go our way today because pace-wise, at some point we came back with the attack mode situation. I got hit by someone, which makes me lose a bit of position. So yeah, honestly, I think we were on a good race. Unfortunately, the safety car didn't really help us.
So, positive feeling after the race and for the next?
Well, positive when you finish P10, it's not enough points. So performance-wise, yes, because 2 races in a row. São Paulo, we know what happened. It would have been minimum a top 5. And today, honestly, in pure pace, I think we're again around the top 5. So it's definitely 2 races in a row where we're in the match, but we need to score points. So that's why I can't be very happy of today point-wise. But honestly, we did a pretty good job, and it is in Formula A. Sometimes it goes your way, sometimes it doesn't. We tried today. Honestly, we are not far to make it work, but it didn't.
Thank you.